Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to leave Discord server. So let's get started. First of all, open Discord, then right-click on the server. And at the bottom, you can see the option of Leave Server. Click on it. It will reconfirm you to leave the server. Click on Leave Server. Then as you can see, server is removed from there. Now, if you want to leave your own server in which you are the owner, simply right-click on the server. You can see nothing option exists of Leave Server. So what you can do? You simply transfer the ownership to someone else in your server. Now click on Server Setting. Then scroll down. And under User Management, click on Members. Then here you can see all members. Now click on the three dots. And at the bottom, you can see Transfer Ownership. Click on it. Then check this option and click on Transfer Ownership. Then it will ask for verification code. Now go to the email inbox. You can see Discord send me a mail. Open it. Here you can see a code. Copy code by Ctrl+C and paste it here by Ctrl+V. Now go to main screen. Then right-click on the server. Now as you can see, Leave Server option is visible at the bottom. Click on it. Again, it will reconfirm you. Click on Leave Server. As you can see, I have Leave Server and server is removed. Now you have learned how to leave server on Discord. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.